Today we're making a great intro tiki drink. Wonderful flavors, lots of spice. You're gonna love it. Or your money back out of Derek's wallet. But you paid nothing, so it's all good.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. We're making a cocktail for you called the Nui Nui.
The Nui Nui?
Yeah.
The Knights who say Nui Nui?
Nope.
Oh, just the Nui Nui.
Just the Nui Nui.
It's got a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah.
So it's got 2 ounces of Asia I'm using. Maison Jamaican XO. It's got 1/4 ounce of allspice dram, 1/4 ounce of vanilla syrup, 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh orange juice, which I just squeezed, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, which Derek squeezed and froze. Jennifer squeezed and froze. My bad.
This time.
What do you think? I can't juice it in? Come on.
Dash of Angostura and a spiral cut orange peel. And now I'm just going to shiver in the corner because apparently I accused somebody of something they're not guilty of.
So, hey, look. Do you need any bar mats? I got me some bar mats.
Ooh, look at that one. That's a nice one.
You can have it if you want.
Start with your J.
So, this is from Donn Beach. Everybody knows Donn Beachcomber. He does a lot of tiki cocktails. John Spice sent this, and I was like, this is good because we did an allspice this month, and I thought we'd do another one. I was going to use my own homemade allspice. Can't find it. So we're using this. The executive producer is Dean P. Graves Jr. You got a lot of shit going on over there.
I have no idea.
So what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to make a tiki drink. This is what we do here. We teach you how to make drinks. We taste them. We tell you if they're good, they're bad, they're ugly, what they should do. We're going to give you tips along the way so that you can become a better craft home bartender. You can become a real bartender if you want to someday. And you can just send your tips my way. It's right here. There's also a super chat button, a live stream. There's also patreon.com/CMC like our executive producer, Dean. If you'd like to help us out with all this free content we give you every week. You should like this video. There's a little thumb. Click it, and then hit the subscribe button if it's red, and you haven't subscribed yet, and there's a little bell. If you click on that, every time I put out a new episode, you're going to get an email. Watch out. Watch emails.
An angel gets its wings.
Totally. Every time.
Every time you click on that bell, an angel gets its wings.
I was going to use a quote from It's a Wonderful Life, but I can't think of one off the top of my head.
Yeah, you should...
You going to do one?
Yeah, I'll do one in a minute.
You have to think a while, too?
Let me think
you
about it.
You got to reload? I haven't seen it all, like, in the last month. We watch it every year. This is interesting. This is better than watching that movie. Yeah.
How about that?
Well, I watched a 3-hour movie. We can watch Ian open up a jar for 3 hours. Jennifer opened that last week. I heard.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
No.
bullshit. Bullshit.
Never mind.
I got it.
You will find that Donn Beachcomber uses a lot of syrups with flavors, typically vanilla, cinnamon, allspice. Another good one is grapefruit juice and clove, is it?
Clove,
Donn's mix.
Yeah.
And a couple different ones. BG Reynolds supplies a lot of those. You could go there, right to awesomenedrinks.com, and pick up some BG Reynolds syrups so that you can make along with this, including vanilla and cinnamon. I won't be carrying vanilla much longer because Blair stopped making it, so I'm not going to carry that anymore because I can't, but I still have some in stock. If not, I do have a palm sugar-based vanilla simple syrup. I think.
There are some who call me Tim.
Monty Python, It's a Wonderful Life.
I know, but Spike threw that out there. And...
Yeah.
Red. No, blue!
No, blue. What is your favorite color?
We were just talking about that over the holidays because my kids were like, "Oh, is that movie that doesn't end?" I'm like, "It ends." She's like, "Yeah, but everybody gets arrested." Yeah. I'm like, "I know." It's like, "It doesn't end." I was like, "I want to see if he ever gets to find the stuff. He said the Holy Grail and whatever, and see where it goes." And then all of a sudden, police just show up and they arrest him, and the movie cuts to black. I'm like, yeah. It's like, that's an awful ending. I'm like, I don't want my kids.
Is this close enough to crushed ice at this point?
Yeah, why not?
Damn it.
You don't need crushed
It's
ice.
fine.
Okay.
That's already pretty crushed up ice. I mean, it will be pretty freaking cold, but...
You really had a wonderful life, George.
There you go. You really had a wonderful life, George.
You were just kidding about making a quote, right?
No,
because I just made a quote. Every time you click the bell, an angel gets its wings.
No, but that was...
Oh, okay. Oh, you were going to do something else. Okay.
No, but you needed that quote. Everybody, you can use that quote. Everybody use that quote. That's not a quote from that movie. That's a quote from people who just say that. That's a thing.
No, it's a...
That's an actual quote from
Tom,
the
I
movie.
don't have your
I know.
money. Joe has your money. And Joe,
Oh, yeah.
blah, 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 has your money. That's how the bank works.
I don't think that's a direct quote, though.
No, that's not a direct quote. I don't know who their names.
But the angel gets his wings. That's not just from that movie, though. That's a thing. Like,
No,
That's from that movie.
no, but I think before.
Daddy, every time a bell rings, an
Yeah,
angel
he
gets
gets
its
its
wings.
Yeah, but that's a
There
saying.
you go, Clarence.
I know it's in the movie, but isn't that already just a base? What do they call those things?
Superstition?
Yeah, maybe it's a superstition or.
I don't know, but it's also in the movie, so...
Zuzu's
Let me get you a
rose
straw
petals.
so you can work around that
There you
orange
go.
peel.
Nope. Zuzu's rose petals. Not there.
Susan's rose pet. What? Susan's rose petals. Yeah, that's right. There they are.
Mary!
Ernie.
Huh?
Who are you calling Ernie?
Bert. Bert.
Bert! You know me, Bert!
See, now he's starting to figure them out. You just gotta give enough time,
Is that Tiki Tiki? Nui Nui Tiki Tiki?
dude.
I don't think Donn creates bad drinks, so.
No, he doesn't. That's tasty.
Dude.
That's got some cool spice flavor in it.
Yeah, the allspice comes through here,
Yeah.
but it's like a lot of allspice, but
And it's
not
like
overdone.
really well balanced with the cinnamon.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's really good. This is like not sweet, but I want to drink it all up.
Oh, it's sweet. Yeah, I still want to drink it all up.
No, but it's got some alcohol play in there.
Yeah, it does.
Like you get the rum, you get a lot of allspice.
Mm.
Or clove. Why is there clove? Where's the clove coming from? Where's clove? Where's clove? Where's clove? I don't know. Maybe it's just in there.
Probably.
There is clove in allspice dram. But
Like maybe in a little bit of the vanilla and the allspice together.
there's a lot of allspice.
Ends up being clovey.
Yeah. Well, there is clove as a base, I think, in most allspice recipes. So, and there could be clove in all of these. Combined. This is a good drink.
I think this is just vanilla.
Yeah, that one's probably pure vanilla. The thing is, sometimes Don's recipes can have a lot of grapefruit flavor, bitterness to them.
Yeah.
Like when you look at some of the drinks, like how he would do, say, a Mai Tai versus how Trader Vic would do a Mai Tai. Trader Vic's are going to be more common man,
Right.
like everybody can drink them, and his are going to be more bitter and tart. And this doesn't meet any. This is like a dessert tiki drink.
That's a great tiki drink. The
Lots of
flavors are
spices.
wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah, and they're like that's its central focus is that there is no real. It's just no real focus.
That
It's
seems
just
like it
all
would
the
be
spices
a
combined together.
wonderful introductory tiki drink to someone who's intimidated by the strength of a lot of tiki drinks.
Yeah, 'cause it's not too
like if
strong.
they've had like a grog or a navy punch or whatever,
Right.
these things just kick you in the teeth, which
Yeah.
they can when it comes to tiki drinks. They're not all super well like
The vanilla is probably what makes this
And you can
approachable.
get flowers in them, and then you can be sick for the rest of the vacation.
yeah, but not from the flour, just from something else. But this is like really well balanced. It's got really good flavors.
Yeah.
I could see that really.
You put this at like a Lost Lake or some big tiki bar, the Cove.
Was that a movie with DiCaprio?
No, the California bar there that.
Like Martin Cates bar.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Smuggler's Cove?
Smuggler's Cove. Yeah. Like he would just put like freaking bouquets of flowers and stuff off top of it.
Which you could
Well,
probably
so would
be
the
gone.
Latitude there.
yeah.
Latitude.
Beach
would do
Bum?
that, yeah. Yeah, this would be something I wouldn't doubt Beachbum has put on the recipe at some point.
I could see
Because
that.
it might even been on there. I don't know.
But
now
those
I
were
don't
all
remember.
really good. We ordered
Yeah.
a lot of those drinks because there was a lot of us.
The
but they
problem
were
is
really
that
good.
you could drink it so fast, and it is still 2 ounces of rum.
Question of the day. What's
Question-
your worst autocorrect?
Worst autocorrect. Oh, I've done.
I have
a lot of those.
recurring autocorrects, but none of them are bad. Like
Recurring.
Hope always turns into hippie for some reason.
Group text saying you are all sinners instead of winners.
Sounds like both could be true.
You know what? Those autocorrect like websites that just go through all the damn autocorrect stupid things that people come up with.
Two
those,
more movie quotes.
Those get pretty funny.
Two more movie
No,
quotes.
no, that's not a question of the day.
No, that was a request.
Oh no, that's not a request. That's not. That's Woody Wood doesn't know what he's talking about. That's not a good idea. My worst this week.
There are rules. We live in a society with rules. Does anyone not give it? Am I the only one who gives a goddamn about the rules?
I don't know what you're doing.
That's a Big Lebowski thing. Of course.
The
Donnie,
worst-
shut the fuck up, Donnie.
The autocorrect
Donnie,
I
were
keep
you
getting
listening?
this week
You have no frame of reference.
is Expo to Xbox. I have an Expo in Clash Royale. Every time I talk about it, it turns into Xbox.
Gotcha.
I'm like,
I'm like, where are you going with this? Not autocorrect conversation.
The one I'm trying to say hoax on so you don't talk about all your goddamn movie quotes. But I've done some. I've had some. I sent Dan something and I was like, that's not right at all. Like rewrite because I go really fast and then sometimes it's just a jumble of words and then you look and you hit the space bar and it fixes them all to what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
And sometimes it doesn't.
That's
Sometimes
like
it's
the
wrong.
Google autocorrect, like with the Google Assistant and stuff. Like the one on my phone, I think it's similar to the phone and the home and everything. They both use Google
Yeah.
Assistant with different capabilities. But if you look on the phone and you can see it like as it's figuring out what
yeah.
you're saying, it like it
changes
puts out what
as
it thinks
goes.
you said, but then it infers from context what it thinks you
Yeah.
really meant,
Yeah.
and it comes out pretty
Yeah.
good a lot of times.
Cortana does that too on
Yeah.
Xbox sometimes. So that's your question of the day. Worst autocorrect. And did you break up with a girlfriend because of it or boyfriend?
Drawn that way.
What? No.
Roger Rabbit. It's in there. I didn't say it.
All right.
I'm not bad. I'm just.
So use Jan18. Save yourself 15% on AwesomeDrinks.com so you can buy these beautiful Chicago highballs or your bar gear, which is going to be in a link in a few seconds. Make sure you like and subscribe, as I said, and there's a bell, which got us down this hole of rats to begin with. That's it for this month, I believe. So we'll see you next month for their February filming. Our live stream for February, did we say what day was it going to be? Was it the 2nd? I think it's going to be the 2nd of February.
Groundhog Day.
Every single time.
You're gonna have to do it.
Oh, yeah,
over
the
and over
Groundhog
and
Day.
over
We're going to
again.
record like 5
shit.
times in a row.
We're gonna get really good.
Oh, fuck. The funny
Follow
thing,
those before you go.
the
They
fuck,
say we're young, but we don't care.
this is starting to get my feeling back. That one wasn't too bad. Which is why that one's going to hurt a lot. That's the pain came after my brain.
I think that one
registering.
sounded worse than it was.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, God. So, and if you come to the live stream on the 2nd, every time I say what the live stream is, I always change it before the end. But hopefully, on the 2nd, you can always use the super chat to donate. For every $5 you donate, Ian beats the shit out of my right hand. All right.
That's what I do.
Yep.
That's what he suffers.
So
His pain, your pleasure.
we'll see you in February.
Sick fucks.
I'm gonna go heel for the rest of this month.
You
Like
do
this.
Kegels?
I'm gonna do Kegels. I'm gonna pull off my best Donald Trump right now because I can't feel my fingers. Sidebar.
That was always the titty twister defense.
Oh, is it? My titties are poking right out though.
See? Yeah, I can't. You go like that?
Yeah, I'm not doing that because my hand hurts. Sidebar. More videos. The course at learn.awesomedrinks.com. Down below, a link to awesomedrinks.com directly so you can go buy stuff from us. That's it.
It's easy as pie.
We'll teach you how to drink.